Okay, what I'm doing here is trying to show you how to fix the problem where the keyboard and the trackball don't work on the BlackBerry Pearl. I saw a bit of stuff online how to fix it, but nothing really worked. They're recommending to just restore it and stuff, but none of that worked. And the problem was that none of the buttons worked, not even the trackball button right here. And the trackball did work, like it would go up and down and on the screen, but just no buttons worked at all, not even the side buttons. So I'm trying to show you how to fix this. Okay, and before we get started, there are different models of the Pearl. So I'm teaching you how to do this one where the keypad can come off like that and just clips in right there. Not this one where it's like a sticker on the motherboard. Okay, here is a working BlackBerry Pearl. Can't really see it, but it goes up and down, can work, gets to your messages and stuff, types numbers. And I am going to put this broken keypad on it and show you how it doesn't work. So here we go. I have everything already taken apart, like all the bolts out and stuff, so just pop these off. Jeez. There we go. Then that out. Then you got this. Just pop that little guy off right there. That. And get my broken one. Just get it right and pop back in. That. Sure it's good. Then we'll put the back on. So put the battery back in. I usually have to plug it in for some reason, I don't know. And I'll just get back when it's done loading. Okay, just start it up. Here it goes. It's verifying. Now, can't click anything. It's asking me if I want to turn on mass storage because it's connected to my computer over there, and it doesn't press anything, like pressing the middle trackball, nothing. Take that out. Can't get away from this. Oh, there we go. Now it scrolls up and down. See it scroll? Oh, pressing the button, nothing. Can't type anything. Just scroll. Nothing. Then I'll try to press button on the side. I don't even know if I'm pressing them, but it's doing nothing, so whatever. And yeah, that's it. And I'll just go put the old one back in and show you that it's working again. Pop that guy off again. Oh, put this guy back on. It's good. Put it back on. Front on. Slap battery in. There we go, it's doing the loading thing. I'll get back in when it starts up. There it goes. And scrolls, good. No, I do not want to turn on. No. Oh, it works. I can go to calendar. Oh, we're in the calendar now. Go to messaging. It's all good. Can type numbers. So yeah, it's just that keypad thing. So I have no clue why it affects the trackball, but it does, so whatever. But that's all you need to replace. Now I'll try to show you where to find that on eBay. Just give me a second. Okay, what I searched was, don't know if you can see it that well. '8130 PCB. 8130 is the model number. My can't really see it there, but whatever. That's my model number, and then came up with a bunch down here. I guess there's different ones, like this one over here, that have the same model number. So I don't know, maybe just a different version, I have no clue, but go down, look right there. That looks like the one we want. See that guy right there? Yeah, just $7.88. Probably can get it for cheaper, but whatever. Look around, and that should fix it.